Okay, my first website. This shape here, resize. Let's add a picture and a gallery to look more stylish. Also, I'll try to insert some documents here. And now some text. Resize it to fit our cool shape. Now preview. Resizing is so easy and fast, and responsive. Awesome! Yeah, I'll try to modify it to make it even better. Transform this one to another. One shape is not enough, I think. Let's resize our amazing text to make place for even more cool stuff. Bit of rearranging and boom! Google Maps. And more pictures. I like pictures. So, wow, a different design in a minute. That's real magic.